Are you getting confused with the term marketing and sales? Does these two terms seem similar to you? Then you are not alone. There are many people who get confused in the term marketing, sales, even promotion. They believe that company carries out function to ensure that people should get products with the help of logistic and supply chain management. With the promotion, they will be able to know that yes, the product is available, and with the sales, the product is being sold. That's it. That is all about marketing. If you also feel the same, this video will be an eye opener for you. You'll get to know what exactly marketing is. Hi, I'm Manish. Check out this video till end, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. While giving various lectures on marketing throughout my career, I found out one interesting thing about marketing. That is, marketing is about creating values for customers, for partners, for your stakeholders, for your shareholders, which nobody talks about. Everybody will talk about the communication part, about the promotion part, about the logistic part, but what about creating values? The actual definition of marketing, be it given by Kotler-Keller or be it given by American Association, every definition of marketing covers this facet that it is all about creating values and delivering values to your customer. Even in various advertisements, you'll find out that marketing is all about delivering values. Be it Samsung, in which advertisement you'll see that in a far-flung area, a person from customer care went out to the people out there to help them out to repair their TV so that they can watch their episode on television. So this is about giving value to people, creating value for the people. So marketing is all about creating value for the people. I'll share one quick definition from the books so that you'll be clear with the definition part also. It is given by American Marketing Association, which has defined marketing as an activity which is a set of institutions and process for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offering that have value for customers, partners and society at large. So in this definition also, the company is talking about delivering values to people. So these value and these regards for customers, for partners, for society at large is helping or developing the needs of society with the value added product. So marketing is all about creating and giving values. One more question which I have come across through my session, that is marketing is all about creating needs or is it about satisfying needs? See, this question also talks about giving value to people needs or providing them goods and sharing value of that goods to them. So it is also talking about giving people, customers or your stakeholders or shareholders the value of good. So marketing is all about creating and satisfying value of goods and customers. In my next video, I'll talk about marketing philosophy. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like this channel and press the bell icon.